Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to unmatch on Tinder. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you'd like to unmatch someone on Tinder, tap open your Tinder application first. Once you do that, log into your account if necessary. Now, open your chat with that person that you'd like to unmatch. From the conversation screen, tap on the shield icon at the top right-hand corner. Now, under Safety Toolkit, you'll be able to see two options displayed. You can either report and unmatch a person, or you can simply unmatch them. If you'd like to report a person and also unmatch them, tap on the first option that says Report and Unmatch. If you'd like to unmatch only, tap on Unmatch Only option, and in the pop-up, tap on Yes Unmatch. Soon after you do that, the person will be erased from your matched list. That is how you'll be able to unmatch a person on Tinder. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.